Welcome. Today's topic is cyber security. Presentation created by Atharva Dhuma from What is cyber security? Cyber security is the practice of defending computers, servers, mobile devices, electronic systems, networks, and data from malicious attacks. It's also known as information technology security or electronic information security. The term applies in a variety of contexts from businesses to mobile computing and can be divided into few common categories. Internet security. As cyber security is concerned with outside threats, network security guards against unauthorized intrusion of your internal networks due to malicious intent. Common examples of network security implementation are extra logins, new passwords, application security. In application security, there are further parts: antivirus programs, anti-spyware software, encryption, firewalls, and monitored internet access. Application security. It focuses on keeping software and devices free of threats. A compromised application could provide access to the data it's designed to protect. Successful security begins in the design stage, well before a program or device is deployed. Information security. It protects the integrity and privacy of data, both in storage and in transit. Information security, sometimes shortened to InfoSec, is the practice of protecting information by mitigating information risks. Operational security. It includes the processes and decisions for handling and protecting data assets. The permission users have when assessing a network and the procedure that determine how and where data may be stored or shared all fall under this umbrella. Cloud security. Cloud security is a software based security tool that protects and monitors the data in your cloud resources. Cloud providers are constantly creating and implementing new security tools to help enterprise users better secure their data. Using these cybersecurity systems, we could prevent our computer or any other electronic devices from getting attacked by viruses. Let's see what kind of virus attacks can damage or disturb our computer system. Some of they are malware, worm, spyware, Trojan horse, and sweeper. Let's see malware and worm in details. Malware. This is a software which is specifically designed to disrupt, damage, or gain authorized access to a computer system. Measures to prevent malware attacks. Update your operating system, browsers, and plugins. Remove software if you don't use. Do not call fake tech support numbers. Use firewall, anti malware, anti ransomware, and anti exploit technology. Worm. A computer worm is a stand-alone malware computer program. It is a self-replicating computer program that penetrates an operating system with intent of spreading malicious code. These virus attacks can damage to our devices, so we should take following measures to prevent it. Install an antivirus program. Use a firewall. Isolate the usage of affected drives. Ignore any unknown attachments in emails. Update antivirus program with the passage of time. These all are important for cyber security. Thank you for watching my video. Like and subscribe my channel Learn and Fun with Atharva. And don't forget to press the bell icon to get my new updated videos. Till then, bye.